Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another decorating video. Today we're going to be styling my bar cart for Halloween with a bunch of finds from HomeGoods and Amazon. I've also had this bar cart for a few years now. I definitely recommend it. It's from Wayfair. It's still available and I'll have it linked below. So to start out, I found these DIY bat decals on Amazon. They're super affordable and they come in a ton of sizes, and they also come with an adhesive sticker on them. And if you're worried about applying the adhesive to your wall, you can definitely use command strips, but since I just wanted to apply these to my mirror, I just used the adhesive that came with the bat. And I also just picked out a bunch of bats in different sizes, so it didn't look super uniform and just a bit more organic. I basically just staggered the bat from the largest to the smallest size, and this is what it ended up looking like. Next, moving into some dried florals. I always keep some form of eucalyptus stems on my bar cart anyways, and I found these faux eucalyptus stems in black on Amazon. They came in a really large pack. They're super affordable as well. I kind of just like the aesthetic of them year round, so I'll probably place them somewhere else throughout the rest of the year, but they're perfect for Halloween while still being very neutral and minimal. Next, moving into my Halloween candy bowl. This was a fun I got earlier this fall from HomeGoods. I actually found it online too, so I'll have it linked below. And it's a much more affordable version than similar ones that I've seen at Pottery Barn this season. I also love adding candlesticks to my bar cart. They just add a lot of character and dimension. These are a set from Target. They're still available. They actually come in a pack of 3. And then I'm just using my faux flameless candlesticks that I've gotten so much use out of this fall. I have several styled throughout my entire house because they're super affordable. You don't have to worry about lighting any fires, and they look super realistic. Next, these mugs were another HomeGoods find. They were $10 each. I love this skeleton handle. I'll link some similar glassware below, but these are perfect for a Halloween party, or in my case, for Halloween decor. And then this skeleton martini glass was another HomeGoods find. I always like to have some decorative or fun glassware on my bar cart, and all of this was so perfect for the season. I also added this cocktail recipe book that just so happens to be the perfect match for our bar cart theme. I love the all black look, and it has a recipe for whatever type of drink you would want. I'm also adding this little cauldron bowl on top. This was a Halloween find from Crate & Barrel. They also have it in a larger size for a serving bowl. And then I actually keep most of our alcohol in the credenza next to our bar, just because I don't like to have it on display, but I just like to pick out the bottles that basically blend in with the bar and just have them there as a decoration. This light up black pumpkin was another recent HomeGoods find, and so is this black candle. I love that the wax in this candle is also black. And with that, the bar cart is complete. I will admit I'm not a huge Halloween person. I probably really haven't decorated for Halloween in the past, so I wanted to keep the Halloween decor very minimal, very aesthetic, something that still matches my personal style, and I love the way this turned out. And now we're moving into a Halloween dessert idea that is super easy. It's only 3 ingredients. This is perfect if you have kids that would like to help out with this, or if you're going to a Halloween party and you don't have a lot of time to bake anything. This is super easy and foolproof. So we're just starting off with some pretzel snaps, some Hershey's Kisses, and candy corn. You'll also need to preheat your oven to 250 degrees and then just add all of the pretzel snaps to a baking sheet. Now this is the part that takes the longest. It's just adding each individual Hershey's Kiss to each pretzel. And then once you get all of the Hershey's Kisses on to each individual pretzel, you're going to place these in the oven for about 4 minutes. You just want the chocolate to be slightly soft, but still hold the Hershey's Kiss shape and definitely not melt completely. Now moving into the candy corn, I went with both the regular candy corn and the pumpkin shaped candy corn. And as soon as you get your pretzels out of the oven, you want to start applying one piece of candy corn on each pretzel and just press it down slightly, and the chocolate will act as glue to keep the candy corn on the pretzels. And personally, I'm really not a big fan of candy corn, but if you feel the same way, trust me, you will still love these because they basically just taste like chocolate covered pretzels. The candy corn is very neutral and it basically just adds a festive touch to this dessert. Once all of the candy corn is in place, you're going to want to let this cool down for at least 30 minutes. I just added my baking tray to the fridge to cool it down faster. And then once that's done, you could transfer it to whatever Halloween serving bowl you want to add it to. I got this skull canister at Home Goods and I knew it would be perfect for this dessert. And these also last quite a while, but they're always gone in my house after like 2 or 3 days because they're just such an easy grab and go treat. But this is just such an easy dessert idea, and I especially love the look of the pretzels with the pumpkins. So I hope you enjoyed all of these Halloween ideas. I'll have all of the products that I mentioned listed below, and definitely let me know if you try out this dessert idea for Halloween. Definitely check out my Instagram and TikTok for daily short form videos, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.